Hi, beautiful angels. This is Miss Dixie from Magic Wens Tarot, and this is your love and work forecast for 2022 for Aries. Yes, friends, many of you requested this reading. Here it is now, friends. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wens Tarot, like and share, subscribe, join us on Instagram. And to buy a personal reading, friends, visit our website and www.magicwenstarot.com. Also, friends, this is this is for the whole year of 2022. You can watch it anytime, and this is a charms reading, friends. We will be looking at your charms also at the end of the reading, and we'll cover both your love life, your work life, and other details of your life for the year 2022 for Aries. Let us see, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Aries, this reading is for you. Let's see the theme of the year 2022. What is the theme of the year 2022 for Aries? You can also check out the 2022 pick a card readings. I've already done a few more are coming, friends. All right, let's see. The Page of Wands, so some sort of an excitement is coming, and the Five of Cups. So I do feel the year 2022 is you coming out of disappointments. Definitely, friends. I do feel that right now you may be struggling, Aries, or you are facing some challenges, some disappointments, but the year 2022 will bring you excitement. It will bring you a new sense of direction, a new sense of purpose. I also feel that currently you are running away, you are chasing your dreams, but they seem out of your reach right now. But I do feel that in the future, in the year 2022, it will be easier for you to achieve your dreams. It will be easier for you to achieve whatever you want to achieve. Answered prayers will be there. I do feel this is the year when things come to you on their own. There will be lesser disappointments this year, and more chances of you chasing your destiny. Yes, you are chasing your destiny, and you will feel excitement this year, friends. There is a lot of excitement. Let's see the theme of the year. The Fool. So wow, that's definitely a new start coming for you, friends. I do feel this is a powerful year for you. A new start is coming, you getting ready for some new dawn, some new awakening. I do see that some of you could actually be changing. Your life could be radically changing in the year 2022. Whatever you are facing right now, that will be different from whatever will happen in the year 2022. Yes, I do feel, Aries, you may face some disappointments in the year 2022, but they will only be the stepping stones to your success. A new dawn, a new story is going to happen for you. I also feel that the year 2022 will be it will be like your life is changing. You will start something, a new job, a new career, a new business. You may shift, relocate in this year. So something new is about to happen this year, and it is something that you have worked on. It is something that you have manifested. Also, it is something that you have wanted to achieve since a very, very long time. So get ready, Aries. This is going to be a busy year for you. And yes, so get ready. And let us see your love life, friends, for the year 2022. Okay. So we have the Nine of Wands, the Empress, the Page of Swords. Okay. First half of the year, the second, the mid of the year. Okay, let me just pick that up. So the card that dropped out was the World, the Sun, and the Six of Pentacles. And let's see the mid of the year for Aries, their love life. So cards are seriously jumping out. The Knight of Wands, the end of the year for Aries, the Queen of Cups, the Two of Pentacles, the Six of Wands, and the Nine of Swords. So let us see, friends, your love life at the first half of the year, at the beginning of the year. All right. I do feel, friends, when you start the year, you will be feeling a little resistive to love. You may not be feeling very ready to fall in love. You may also be feeling challenged in your relationship. So you may be very like, you don't want love, you don't need love. Your focus is elsewhere when you start the year, or initially in the month of January or February. You are not in a lovey dovey mood. Your focus is on work, your focus is on career. You are not focusing much on love life, you know. Even if you are in a relationship, you may be going through that phase where your partner is acting like they are very busy and they don't have much time for lovey-dovey stuff. So let us see what else. Ace of Cups. Yes, I do feel some of you are attracting a very, very powerful new connection this year, in the first half of the year. That is from January to April. You may attract a new lover or a new reunion. A reunion will happen with a person. A new lover is coming. I also feel that the first half of the year is the time. January may be slow, February is slow, but March, April and May are good months for love for you. Page of Swords. You could be attracting an Aries, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person. So you could be attracting an air sign Aries. That's interesting. And the Empress. Yes, I do feel there is a chance of marriage also happening for you. Some of you could be meeting this person through marriage, or for marriage or deeper commitment. I also feel if you are married, there is a chance of pregnancy, or expecting or planning your family expansion. Yes, there is a strong chance about that. I also feel some of you may actually have choice of partners in the first half of the year. Like, you may have somebody younger, and you may also have someone who is very fit, like to be a husband or a wife material, and someone younger. So you may have choices also in love, Aries. So congratulations. All right. Oh my god, I think that is what made you excited, this choice in love. So let us see the mid of the year. So mid of the year, I do feel the world. Yes, yes, you will be going through changes in the mid of the year in your love life. Yes, some of you may leave a relationship, some of you may enter a relationship. Also, if your person was in a long distance or something was blocking your love life, that is when mid of the year is when changes will start to happen. I feel June, July, August will be important for months for you, for changes in your love life. Shakeups will happen, changes will happen. World, some of you may also change your city or country, or your person will change their city or country. You may also get married and move somewhere else. Knight of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sag person will be important to you. I do feel like this is your energy. I think you will be very, very set and sure what you want in your love life in the middle half of the year. Another thing I'm feeling is some of you may actually be dealing with some karmic issues, some challenges in the mid of the year, friends, and they may trigger you or make you upset or angry. As I said, there will be some disappointments in the year, in the middle of the year, but it will not affect you much, Aries. Just you need to control your temper. Sometimes you may feel a little angry at what is happening, but Six of Pentacles, balance is going to come into your life. Karma is going to do justice for you. Your relationships will overall balance again, and people who were not giving you time or affection will start giving you love and affection. And the Sun, yes, I do see that some sort of a jealousy may also affect your love life in the mid of the year, because you guys are so happy, you guys are shining bright, you guys are beautiful, and this may actually make people jealous around you, like your family, your friends, or maybe general people. So people who are not important may be jealous, or of your love life. So please try to keep that in mind. Protect your relationships, protect your love life. Also, if you do not know your twin flame, you're attracting your twin flame in the mid of the year. Let us see the end of the year now. All right, at the end of the year, your partner may actually start to get start to have certain anxiety or issues, fears. You may also develop fears because of the opposition or because of the envy of others. You may start to question, is this person truthful? Is this relationship right? Please do not let external influences affect your partnership this year, friends. And I do see there will be people who will do that. So please be careful, Aries. Six of Wands, yes, you will be very successful. Your partner will be able to win your trust. You will be able to get married, settle down, move ahead. Or, a relationship may be tested, but you will come out very strong in love with each other. And Two of Pentacles, yes, at the end of the year you will be very busy meeting family, friends, taking time to party, and also, you know, you'll be very busy with your partner, with your lover. And the Queen of Cups, emotions will be very, very high at the end of this year for you. You could be dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. I also feel, the full moon will be very important. The full moon of August will be very, very important for you, Aries. So make sure to watch that out. I also feel the full moon around November will also be very important for you. And yes, the end of the year will be a very lovey-dovey time for you. Your emotions will be very high, so sometimes you may get scared. Is your partner honest? Is this going to work? You know, because your relationships are so beautiful this year that you may start to doubt, you know, is this for true? Yes, it is, Aries. Believe in yourself, trust in your relationships. Let us see your advice, then work, and then the charms. Okay, so let's see some advice for our beautiful Leos. Aries, sorry, I don't know why I said Leos. I have no idea. Transformation, big changes, huge changes are coming in your love life, friends. So I told you this will happen. A new start, a big transformation is coming. Number 13 is important. Spiritual strength, yes, you can do it, friends. Aries, you can do it. You and your person will go through a lot of changes in this year. The love life will actually help you to grow spiritually. Your people, your partners, your person, your soulmate will help you to grow spiritually. You are also helping them. So this is a spiritual year of transformations, accelerated motion. Yes, things will be going very quickly in this year, or sometimes nothing will be happening. So this is that kind of a year when in your love life certain days will be nothing happens, and then all of together everything happens. So try and keep your patience, you know, because sometimes you will have to wait. Sometimes you will be like, why everything is happening all of it together? So let us see your work and career now in the year 2022. Work and career in the year 2022. Okay, the 9 of Pentacles. All right, the 2 of Wands, the 5 of Swords, the Hanged Man, the 3 of Wands, and the 6 of Swords. Wow, definitely there is an energy of transformation. Some of you could be shifting to another city or country, and this will be a very, very beautiful change for your career. I do feel you are facing some sort of challenge right now in your career, friends. Definitely there are financial issues or blocks happening in your career and finances right now, friends, and it's very frustrating for you. But in the year 2022, you can expect forward progress. You can expect movement. You can also expect news from other cities and continents and countries. And I do see some of you could actually be shifting, relocating, or going to other cities or countries for work or studies. And you will be very excited by this change. I also feel that future planning will be very, very important for you this year. So you will definitely be taking action to make your future stronger, to secure your money, to invest your money, to make it double. You are planning, planning, planning. Planning is the word for you. Planning is your mantra for the year. You will be planning, making investment, looking after your future. You are very excited with your future, and some of you may actually feel a little scared, like where things are going. But I feel you will have to, Aries, you will have to focus on the now. Take it day by day, take it month by month. You cannot make, some of you maybe feel very, some of you want to, you're very habitual in making long-term plans. Yes, you can this year, but keep them a little flexible. Keep them a little flexible. Like, yes, decide, plan, invest, and then also keep a list, like whatever else may happen, may happen. So there is a risk, friends. Yes, you will be planning a lot of things for your future in this year, but sometimes you may also have to keep it flexible. Yes, I do feel if you are a businessman, Aries, then you will be businesswoman, business. If you are into businesses or any kind of self-work, entrepreneurship, You will be extremely successful this year. This is your year of independence, going solo and earning. Some of you could become travel vloggers. Some of you may start, some jewelry making, some artistic hobby or something. Some of you may start writing books. So some of you could be also traveling and you may start earning by that, travel vlogging or something. So you will be doing something new and it will bring you money. The Two of Wands. Yes, I do feel that you will be extremely, you will be balanced, friends. This is the year when your passion and your emotions will be balanced. This is not a year when you will feel like too hopeless or too excited about your work and career. You will be very balanced. Like you will work, your health will be good, your routines will be good, you will rest as well as work hard. Five of Swords. Yes, I do feel if you are a student, Aries, the competition is intense. Please keep that in mind. You may face a lot of competition this year, but if you plan carefully and strategically, you are going to win. The Hanged Man. Yes, I do feel that if you see things in a new way, with a new perspective, student Aries, you will be extremely lucky. There will be competition, there will be some challenges or blocks or delays that will happen in your career or finances or exams, but if you plan ahead, if you plan and strategize that yes, certain delays will happen, you will be able to make a lot of success out of all these delays. So remember that you are going places and you are chasing your dreams. You are really, really chasing your dreams. So let us see some advice for you, Aries, and then your charms. Take a step back. Cancel, clear, cancel and release. And do the work. Yeah, I do feel at times you will definitely, take a step back. Yeah, there will be times when you will take charge of this year, chasing your dreams and destiny, and there will be times when you will step back and you will let the universe help you. Also, be very careful in what you are manifesting, Aries, because cancel, clear, delete. So yes, sometimes your manifestation power will be very high and you may manifest something that you don't want. So please be careful. Do the work. Yes, this is a very spiritual year for you, friends. You are growing spiritually, whether you will know it or not. This will be a very, very spiritual year for you. Let's see some charms for you now. All right, let's see. Aries. I keep getting that song. I can hear that song in the loop. I don't know why. Have you been hearing this song? I'll be wearing pink pajamas when she comes. I don't know why, but it keeps... there is a song, this song, which is looping in my background. I don't know. It's not even playing here. I don't know if you guys were hearing it. Please let me know, So Sen, you could be dealing with person who has that surname, Sen, or Denny. The name could be Denny, or SS could be an initial. So DENSS are the initials. Number 77 is important. Number 12 is also important for you, friends, this year. And let us see. So the hat, yes, I do see new romance or love is coming your way, proposals coming your way. The horse, you are very strong, friends. You are very, very strong. So do not lose your hope. You are like the black horse. Some of you may be actually, nobody will expect you to win something, Aries, this year, but you will, because you are chasing your dreams and people don't realize it. And that is the problem. People might be jealous of you, so be careful, but you are very protected, so nothing to worry. Angel wings. Yes, your dreams and wishes are protected. Again, you have another small angel wing. So some of you could be getting a baby birth, childbirth, or some of you may actually become very close to a child in your family. That may also happen. This is the leaves growth, money coming in, growth in your businesses, in your finances. The owl, you will be learning. This is your year of learning, the year of wisdom, the year of spirituality, spiritual growth. Oh my god, look at this key. This is beautiful. You are going to find the solutions you need. A key will be given to you, a solution, a breakthrough. Look at that, another owl. So I do feel you will have a very high intuition about money, friends, and about your career and your exams and your studies. So please use that. I feel you will have two intuitions or double intuition for your love life as well as for money, so use it. Also, you could be attracting a very intuitive person, and the golden leaf, money coming in. The eye, yes, I do feel that intuition, this is the third chakra. Like people are watching you, people are keeping an eye on you, you are getting fame, and also your intuition is sharp again. And this is the leaf of letting go. You let go of the past disappointments. The cowboy hat, you could be attracting somebody from USA, Texas, Austin, some those areas, or somebody who is quite bold persons. You could be attracting a very bold partner. The butterfly, positive changes. Heart, yes, love is very important to you. Again, a butterfly. I do feel you are attracting someone who is very similar to you, or who has gone through similar phases that you have gone through. So that is important. The mama elephant and the baby elephant. So family is very important. Being a mother or a father, taking care of people and being cared also, that is important for you. Some of you could actually be missing your parents, friends. I don't know why in this year, like you are away from them, or you have shifted and relocated, so you are missing them. But remember, love is very much close. They are always around you, right? Parents always stick by us no matter what. And this is the divine rose. So there is definitely twin flame love, holy love. And the turtle, the sea turtle is here. So keep going forward slowly and steadily. Teacup, friendships, new friendships are coming. This is your year of building connections, friendships. Creativity will be very high this year. Peace, peace is very important to you, friends, because a lot of people might affect you, like bringing gossip or drama or something. So you will want peace in your life, and that is what you will do. And this bead is also about money coming in. Prince of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sag person, soulmate. Yes, you are going to meet a soulmate. Look at that. The soulmate is coming for you. And what else? September. So September is very important for you, friends. And the Knight of Coins. I told you August is important, so September is also important. Knight of Coins, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is important. And you are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make my days. You make me happy when my skies are gray. That's so beautiful. So definitely a very, very romantic connection is coming your way, friends. Make sure, I wish you a very, very happy 2022 and lots of blessings and love from Magic Wednesday. Make sure to subscribe us, like us, share us. And I hope to continue be with you in every day on your journey. And please, if you want to buy a reading, visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye-bye.